Today we're going to walk you through how to switch out your manufactured RV locks. I'm Jason.
I'm Renee.
I thought that was a good one to start it off with.
I
know. Okay, take two. I'm Renee.
I'm Jason.
We're the McCartys. For the McCartys.
On the move.
On the move. Did you know that all manufactured locks actually have a universal key that will unlock the RVs? So that makes us very nervous, just knowing that anybody could get a hold of this key and decide that they want to take a look inside and yeah, just no thank you. So Onaya sent us a RV lock, and we're going to show you today just how easy it is to swap out this lock for theirs. So here it is. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay, you get to open it. Ah, she's a beaut, Clark. There you are. Ta-da. Read it. All right, what are you using, sir?
I'm using a DeWalt 20 volt max brushless.
With what's on the tip? Like, what are we using?
It's a Phillips.
Okay.
That one was loose. Want a screw?
Family friendly, sir. Family friendly.
Ta-da!
See you later, sucker.
Just like that.
Who's that? Are you going to be our helpers?
Man.
Wiggle butt. Love you, ma'am.
Star bit. Remove these 4 to separate.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so the actual pack for your RV lock came with all the tools that you needed to accurately install this. So you do not need any fancy power tools for this.
Little finesse.
What are you doing? You wiggle butt? What are you doing? Are you going to help us?
Plugging it in and using the backing plate. Installing the backing plate.
So you should hear a beep.
I didn't hear a beep.
For the front handle, connect the battery wires, the front and back covers. You should hear a beep indicating that it's connected. If you don't have any sound, please check the connection.
Didn't hear a beep.
Okay, so we actually took the lock back off and are taking the batteries out again, because when you connect the power cords, you should hear a beep, and we did not hear the beep. So we're gonna go double check our batteries. I see the problem. Hold on there, sir. Do you see the problem? I see the problem. Oops.
That was the problem.
The battery just needed to be flipped. Really great thing about it too is you don't have to take it completely off to replace the batteries. That'll be nice. Plug it in, it should beep. I heard it.
Got the beep.
Yay.
Yeah, line it up with the deadbolt. Okay. Like that. Lock, unlock. Fancy tool.
And those 4 screws we took out earlier, just pop them back in. Okay, make sure she closes. And the lock. And then to do your initial unlock, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, star, and it will unlock. Voila! All right. So now that it is completely installed, this is the key fob that you will get. And I do believe you have, there it is, there's a little clip. And so if your battery dies and you can't get in, you do have a hard key there to open it, a hard key, a physical key to open it.
Oh, wait. We got 2. We got 2.
His and hers.
2.
2. But do you want to know the best thing about this lock specifically is, now we have a nice lock on the front door. Now we have one on the back door, and instead of having to deal with 4 keys, we can program. I am trying to talk, sir. We can program the 1 key to operate lock 1 and lock 2. So now we will use 1 key to operate both locks, which is really great. And now we're gonna go ahead and actually just reset the code, so it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so y'all can't break in on us.
Nope.
And we'll be right back. We're gonna do that so you don't see, actually. So we are going to now set our key fobs up so it will open door 1 will be the front door and door 2 will be the back door. So let's go ahead and start with door 2. Please enter our password. They can't see it. Password, hit the set button 3 times. 3 times. Wait for a beep. That was easy. Enter the password, you press set 3 times, wait for a beep, and I just pushed button 2. Wait, let me do it. It locked. Okay, let's go set door 1. Hopefully it will work. Okay. All right, so I'll enter the password on this side. Not gonna show you. Okay, you hit set 3 times. It beeped, and I'm gonna push 1, and now it's green. What? That's so easy. Okay, ready? It worked. And now it worked. Yay, you guys, that was so easy. One little user error, but there we are. That is how you install the new Onias RV lock and get rid of those old manufactured locks. Ready to say?
McCarty's on the move.
I was gonna say thanks for watching.
Oh,
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.